Hello guys, today I will show you about a very important software. So to get that software, just go to Google and type Revo Installer. Go to this site and go to free downloads. Here we can download two versions. This one will install the Revo installer on your system, and the second one is a portable. So I'll go for the portable. I got this software. Now we can close out of browser. This is the software. Let me just extract it. What this software does is, when we normally install any software, like I have this VLC player here and I want to install this. So let's go to apps and type here VLC, go to install. This is a normal procedure to delete any software from Windows 10. Okay, so I think VLC player is gone now. Now let's just check. This is Revo installer. Why I brought you this, I will show you now. See, there is no VLC player here, no files here, but let me show you. Let's go to registry. Oh shit. Let's go to registry, type regedit, and let's go back to my computer, and here we'll search VLC. Find. See, when we install something from the normal installing method of Windows, some registry keys still is still present in the registries. So now what Revo installer does, I'll show you. 1 minute. Let's go to first we need to install VLC player again. For that I have to go to download VLC player again. Okay, I'm going to download from here. This one, let's go and download. Just double click. Okay, it is downloading VLC player. Now it is installing VLC player. Let's just wait for a few more seconds. Okay, VLC player is downloaded now. As you can see here, you can check here also. Here VLC player is back. Now we will install this VLC player with our Revo installer. So for that we need to refresh first. Okay, VLC player is back. Okay, now we have to install this from here. Here is a checkbox, make a system restore point before install. It is not necessary to make a restore point all the time, so we can uncheck this and continue. Now everything is deleted, close. Now now, after the program's installer has finished, place the scan button to start scanning for leftover files, folder and registry items. This is where this software is important, because normal installation process does not remove the empty registry files from your system, and some when we sometimes check that there are some empty keys left behind after, even after installation of the software, even after few restarts we will find some registry keys which are empty. But this installer software is very easy. Just scan for empty keys, empty registry keys, empty folders. Is there anything left related to VLC player? As you can see, we have find this place where registry keys are present of VLC player. So we'll select everything. See, this is everything related to VLC player here. So this software is very useful to remove all the registry keys, all the empty registry keys. So to delete all these registry keys, just press delete. Are you sure? Yes. Some empty folder paths, some leftover files and folders. Select this also and delete. Press yes. Selected, but remaining files will be deleted during the next system restart. Now, after this, after a next system restart, every file related to VLC player will be removed. So this is a very good software to remove all the leftover keys, empty folders and everything. So you can check it out. That's it for today's video. Just like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you like, just hit like button. Thanks for watching.